guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the very first haul of 2023 and probably one of the few because first of all, I'm not planning to buy a lot, and second of all, I don't generally film hauls on this video and unboxings generally. I say generally, but today we're doing this. First, I want to also say that if you hear an echo, it's because I'm sitting in the kitchen. I'm getting slowly to the point where I will start showing you around in our new house. Let's get to the unboxing now. I'm just gonna talk as I'm ripping things apart. Now, I ordered two things that I have been wanting for God knows how long. Wow, and that is the first one. That is the first one. And that, oh God, what is this? That is the second one. What else did I get? Oh, I got a Prada book. I'm wondering if I don't keep anything, am I allowed to keep the book? I'm the kind of person I'm gonna like send it back. If I don't keep anything, I'm gonna send it back. I am allowed, like I put the limit on myself, I'm allowed to pick one of the two. Definitely not both, and maybe neither. I know this is all over the place, but let's unbox this. I'm just gonna do that. What I wanna say is I have lusted after this bag. I'm quickly gonna do the paper thing because otherwise I can't hear you. I have lusted after this bag for a long time. And I've asked many people, well, which one is that? Oh, this is another one. This is like a contender, which I think is like quite underrated compared to the other one. Okay, what are you talking about? Let me see the bag, right? Let me first see the bag and then get into what I wanted to say. But here is the first one. So this is the Re-Nylon. The Re-Nylon bag, and this is the crossbody bag, and that's the more square-shaped version of it. Now, everyone's been lusting after the other one. Let's show the other one as well, because I had to order it. I have never tried it on. I don't have a Prada near me, and Prada, I don't know why, like, I love Prada. Something that they do lately, I love their vibes, and I'm a fan of nylon. Whether or not it's worth such price tags, that's a whole other discussion, but oh my God, the other one is so much tinier. Whether or not they're worth it is a whole other story, but I love nylon. It's practical, and also let's be honest, the Prada one is timeless. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the other one. Ta-da! Okay. I think that the straps and all of the other shebang is in the bag, which, yep, that's the case. And wow, it's been attached to the bag. Okay, that's good. You know, if you're unboxing two separate things, you don't want anything to kind of cross over. So here is a chain, which I must say is a little bit underwhelming in terms of quality from my first look. But here, I'm not gonna detach, well, I might, you know what? I'm gonna detach that because I can. I just don't wanna detach accidentally the tag and then not be able to return it. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna leave the white one. You're just gonna have to pretend that the white baggie is not hanging out there. And then it comes with a strap. The only thing I hate is that it has Prada on the strap. You see that? This gives me fake bag vibes. I've always said it, like I don't like guitar straps that have a logo on them. But since it's black, it really doesn't show that much, and thank God you don't see it on the other side. But here is the new version of the strap, which is also one of the reasons I'm happy that sometimes, oh my God, I'm all over the place, but hear me out. Sometimes it's good to wait, sit and wait, because they improved this little pocket. You see, it doesn't dongle around. Now it has actually like a snap closure here so that it stays put and it doesn't dangle around when you're like, what am I trying to do? When you're wearing it crossbody. Because before people were complaining that it like just turned around and whatnot. So yeah, that is that. I'm gonna attach the strap to this one. And then this is the, oh, it is so cute. But I'm gonna have to say, when I'm comparing these two, just by looking at them, you can clearly see that this one is gonna pack a lot more. And that's what I kind of need it for. I wanna be able to fit my wallet and whatnot. And this shape, because I have the crystal version, it does fit a decent amount. It's by no means a tiny bag, but it's not like the practical kind of bag that I want to have, especially like in the nylon print. Like this one, I'm going to take out on evenings, and I know I'm going to just take a few things with me. But when I take this one, I want to be able to pack a lot of stuff in there. So I think I'm already sounding biased. Okay, there's some dust on there. I must say that the bag emits like white fluff, which is a little bit annoying. Oh, here's a difference. That's weird. So this strap also has exactly the same thing, where you have that pouch that is attached with a, oh my goodness, all words have left my head. With a press button closure, but at the back of the pocket, on this bag you have Prada re-nylon, and on this one you don't, which is funny because the bags are, or the pouches are exactly the same size. It's funny, but I'm looking at this one now and I'm thinking, wow, this looks so cool. The strap is also super adjustable, which is something that I'm in for. Oh my God, it looks so cool. Oh. And what I love about this bag is that you don't have the logo on the strap. Remember, I told you I don't like that. And I thought that this one would have it as well, but it doesn't. So I like that a lot more about this. But I'm gonna quickly throw it on. And obviously you can take this one off if you don't want it to dangle between your breasts. So let's try the other one on as well. There you go. I don't have the most flattering outfit on today, but this is how it looks like. And even though I love that look, I still think this one is too small for what I need. So I am ruling out this one, definitely. Why did I order it? Because I wanted to see it. I had never played around with it. I have seen it many times, but I have never tried it on. Just haven't been bothered. You know, sometimes you go to a store and even if you like something, you know, when I'm traveling, I just often want to enjoy the experiences, and sometimes I can't be bothered. So I just wanted to see it, and now I'm taking this one again. It's a really practical one as well, because you have the front pocket here, which you could use to just put your phone inside. If you choose to carry it on a trip and you don't want the logo showing, then you literally have a back pocket where you can put your phone. It definitely fits the biggest of phones. Here is the inside. I'm gonna take the paper out. So you have a really good size, and you even have a back pocket here, which also will fit a bigger phone. So it's a really great distribution of space, and those two bags are the same price. Now you could say, yeah, but with this one, like, you can dress it up for evenings. Having seen this strap, the chain strap, it feels cheapish. And yeah, you could say you can buy something else, but again, I have a problem with you buying something and then having to start buying other accessories for the item to work in your lifestyle. So yeah. Now I have this one, but I also ordered something that is a fraction of the price, but does exactly the same thing. So this is a bag from Ganni, and it's essentially the same thing. It is a camera bag with a front zipper, and inside it's just one large compartment. Sorry, you can't see much because it's a black hole. Now, holding this, what I feel is it's super flimsy. Like, this is also soft, but it has a little bit more structure. And I just wanted to see this one because the Ganni one, I've seen it around and I've seen it on Pinterest and everywhere. And it also looks like a really nice and practical bag. And for the price point, I mean, you can't go wrong. It's like a great, throw it around, great tourist bag, honestly. If you want to go to places that are not maybe that safe or whatnot, and you're not taking your designer handbags, then this is definitely a bag to consider, I feel. And you cannot go wrong with the price point. It was about $130, so yeah. You cannot go wrong. They do them also in different colors. But like I said, the fact that, you know, it's already putty in my hands, it will not give any protection to things that are inside. Whereas this one feels a little bit more padded, and you can see that it doesn't like, it's not like putty in my hands. Whereas this one, you know, I'm clearly leaning towards this one. But now I have to truly sit down with myself and have a talk, have a chat, and think about whether or not nylon is actually worth it. I wanted to show you the haul because I'm torn. I'm not torn between this one and this one. I know exactly which one I would pick, but I just wanted to see both of them. Truth be told, I have space for such a bag that is non-leather, and now I'm just starting to talk myself into it. I'm gonna leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed somewhat. Let's see what happens. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you again next time. Bye.